We now have all the metal work finished on Ward 79 Trans Am. I'm gonna come through and over every weld seam, I'm gonna use a little bit of skim coat of fiberglass filler. You need to do that over any weld because of any porosity or micro hole that might be there. It'll just make sure nothing gets through. It's corrosive protectant, just the right way to do it. We're also going to skim the entire car with body filler now. A lot of people think, oh my God, that's so much filler. It's not. You block it down, there's not really that much left over when you're done. And the reason we do that is so we can block panel to panel to make sure you can hold a straight edge down the side of a car, and I mean everything will line up all the way down the car. You can look down it and you won't see any little dimple or rivet or nothing. It'll be straight all the way down. Dan's gonna go ahead and tackle one half the car, I'm gonna tackle the other half, and that way we can get this thing rocked out. Now that we have all the skim coat done, we have the whole car blocked down and it's straight, we're going to send it over to Jason and he's going to spray poly prime it. The reason we use spray poly is because it locks down hard, it does not shrink back like normal primer. It'll just ensure that no sand, scratches, or nothing come back. So we'll get over to him and he'll do the first stage of priming on it. It'll come back to us and we'll start blocking it down again. Jason's got the 79 Trans Am and spray poly. We're gonna bring it back over to the body shop. Dan and I are gonna start cutting this thing with 100 grit down the entire car. Then we're gonna step to 220, and then we'll finish it out eventually with 400. We're gonna start with 100 and work to 220, and then we're gonna send it to Jason, and he will do his job again, spray poly the car for its second round. It'll come back to us, we'll do the same step again, and if we need to, we can send it back to Jason for a third time. The second and third just kind of depends on how it wants to lay out.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.